Maybe Steven should have kept his mouth shut.
Oh my God! Good Lord in heaven!
How y'all doing today?
Holy!
My name is Cooper Robinson. I'm from Arkansas, and I come to take your city from you.
What part of Arkansas, dog?
From on a plantation. You got to ride into the woods. It's a dirt road. Once you leave Humphrey, you ride like 10 miles. You got to look for the exit, say Cratner. You ride deep off into the woods. It's very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Very dangerous?
Yes.
Dangerous for me or you?
Alligators, bears, cats.
Really?
Yeah, for real. You got to walk a certain way because of snakes. There's a lot of snakes.
How old are you?
59. I think. I'm not for sure.
Yes.
Huh?
You're not for sure?
Hey, I feel good. No, I would. Hey, I feel good. No, I would. So good. So good. I got you. Hey, I know. I got that feeling. I got the feeling. No, I would. I feel so good. I feel you.
You ain't never gonna get bit by a snake.
I'm going to Hollywood, then I'm going to that Universal Studio again. Take that studio. Take all of them out of Hollywood. I'm going to the...
Dog, take a breath. I'm afraid like you're breathing a little rough.
For real, brother. I'm going to be the next American star for America. I'm going to be that man, the next movie star. In real life, that's going to be me. You take a line, stop,
My God.
Don, how you like me? Thank you. Bye. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
So, no golden tickets. And no words from our judges.
And I feel good. Like I know I would. I feel good.
Bye. Is he still in the hallway? Because I'm going to wait.
Hey.
Jennifer, you need
We'll go
protection.
this way.
You need protection. He's gonna say you Mrs. James Brown.
God.
Right for the day, ladies and gentlemen. How you sound? Once in a lifetime.
What the hell was that? Ryan Seacrest, you gonna take him to Hollywood Run?
They ain't got the touch. They call it touch. They ain't got it. I got it. I know I got it. I didn't come 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and out the woods for nothing. I didn't come from Arkansas for nothing. And will be in your bedroom, your kitchen, your closet, your car, and your car. Wherever else you hide with a TV or video. This is going to be continued. There ain't going to be no end of this. Because I am that baby in your life. I'm more good looking, more handsome than any dog, chicken, giraffe, snake, cow, pig, hog, or what, and the giraffe. Hey, I feel good!
Well, next week we are back on track.